Well, the ongoing violence in Egypt is unsettling investors. Oil is rising for a second day on concern that crude supplies may be disrupted and unrest may spread to other parts of the Middle East. Well, joining me now on the phone from Tripoli is the chairman of Libya's National Oil Corporation and the country's representative to Opec, Shokri Ghanem. Thank you so much for joining us on the phone, Mr. Ghanem. Given the unrest in Egypt, but also the current political environment, is OPEC under pressure to add more oil?
Well, no, I mean, there is, we are not thinking of adding more oil because we don't feel that there is a shortage in the market. We are looking always and following up the movement in the market. And so far, we feel that there is enough oil in the market. In case that there will be a shortage, of course, then we will think of bumping more. But we don't think that there is any problem of enough supplies in the market at this time.
At what price, Mr. Ghanem, would OPEC actually start adding more oil?
Well, now there is some sort of a divorce between the price and the supplies. The increase in the price you see is not because of the shortage of supplies. Rather, it is because of the speculation and the psychological effect of these events in the Middle East. But it is not because of lack of oil. If you want any shipment of oil, it is available. But people, because they are rushing and they are willing to pay higher prices, of course, the speculators just want to guarantee that their oil is more secure. They are thinking of some security of supplies, not the availability of oil.
So how concerned are you about the unrest in Egypt, and is it likely that it will spread to other countries such as Algeria?
Well, I mean, I don't think so. I don't think so. But it is anybody's guess now. The movement of people all over the world, it now became evident that you cannot predict it. So what we see in Egypt and what we saw in Tunisia last week, we hope that Egypt will kind of settle down quickly and life come back to normalcy. But of course, one cannot predict, especially in this fluid situation.
And prices have been so volatile. Overall, do you expect OPEC to have to increase quotas this year, especially if we see this unrest spreading to other countries in the Middle East?
No, you see, the quota does not have relation with the unrest. The quota and the supplies have a relation to the availability. If there is a need for more oil in the market, then, of course, we will think of increasing the quota. But if there is unrest, but there is a lot of oil available, so why you change the quota? So it depends all not to unrest itself, but it depends on the supply and demand. There is enough supply in the market. If you want more oil, you can come to any member countries and oil is there.
But, Mr. Ghanem, are you not concerned about the fact that actually Brent is at $100, and what does it mean for the world economy?
No, I don't think that it means much for the world economy for one reason, because it is not only Brent or the oil that increased to 100. You see, the food products has increased for more than that, you know, three, 4 times. The dollar is eroded. So, you know, the other yardsticks that you are measuring the price of oil, you don't see a real big increase except a nominal increase. But in fact, because of a compensation for the loss of revenues and for the loss in the terms of trade of OPEC, which is becoming negative for oil.
Mr. Ghanem, just very quickly, how concerned are you that actually this unrest will take hold also in your country?
No, we are not expecting anything like that in our country at this time. No. We think that we are quite a very settled country, and we hope that we don't see any arrest.
Mr. Shokri Ghanem, thank you so much.
Thank you.